Welcome to the Pathful Work-Based Learning Overview. Today, we'll explore the tools, resources, and content available for both students and educators. The work-based learning portion of Pathful provides live virtual sessions with industry professionals, ensuring students gain real-world insights into various careers.
First, the Discover section.
The Discover section showcases a sampling of recorded past sessions including workplace tours, career conversations, employability skills, and industry-specific topics. This is a great starting point to explore the breadth of work-based learning content available. Pathful offers live, pre-scheduled virtual sessions featuring industry experts. Go to Upcoming Sessions, use Filters, the search bar, or the calendar view to find relevant sessions, browse various industries, professionals, and career topics, select a session to view details such as date, time, duration, audience, and learning objectives. Students can register to join live, while staff and admin can join live or request a recording notification.
To join the session you have registered for, simply go to your dashboard, navigate to Upcoming Sessions, and select the scheduled session you will be attending.
On the day of your scheduled live session, log in to your Pathful account. From your home page, locate your scheduled session and click Join Live Session. A session details page will open and you will enter the number of students who will be present and select Join. The session will be hosted through Zoom. Click Open Zoom Meetings to launch the session. A Pathful support team member will start the meeting at the designated time. These sessions provide an easy way to interact with professionals as a group or individually. Simply browse, sign up, and show up.
Moving on to the Request feature.
For a tailored experience, educators can request their own live session with an industry expert. First, choose from 4 session types. Next, provide session details including title, subject area, grade level. Your description is essential for matching you with the most suitable professional and serves as a guide for the professional when preparing their presentation.
Detailed session description should include clearly stated learning objectives and key questions you would like the professional to answer, both from students and educators.
You can even select particular skills and industries of interest. Next, schedule your session. Select a duration. Provide 2 to 3 date and time preferences for flexibility. Ensure that there will be at least 3 student participants. And decide whether to allow other classrooms to join. Finally, in the additional information box, include details that tailor the session to your classroom needs. This could include requesting a professional whose background or industry representation reflects your students' experiences, helping them to connect and envision themselves in that field.
If you're ready for us to find a presenter, click the Submit button. If not, save as a draft to edit later.
The session stages are confirmed, a professional has accepted and a calendar invite is sent. Draft, a session is in progress but not yet submitted. Requested, Pathful is actively finding a matching professional.
Next, our work-based learning videos and playlist feature.
With over 20,000 recorded sessions, educators and students can access valuable career insights. It is a great place to find recordings of past live sessions. Search by topic, industry, or keyword, And you can even curate playlists for easy access, student assignments, or substitute lesson planning.
Now, our work-based learning lessons.
Pathful offers in-depth, interactive lessons to help students prepare for and thrive in the workplace. Students can self-assign lessons, and educators can assign lessons to students for structured learning.
Finally, we have industry-led projects.
The industry-led projects allow students to work on real-world problems identified by industry professionals,
where they can work in teams to gain hands-on experience, problem-solving, and collaboration.
You can even use the request feature to add a mentoring session or for students to receive industry feedback on their work. For further assistance, visit the Help Center
and the Resource Center.
Thank you for joining this tutorial. We look forward to supporting your Pathful journey.